Hello, welcome back. So this is my part two for my data and big data system. So let's continue to the question four in like 5.4. We want to find the movie that have the word of Hobbit. We just use or operator same thing or and for the last question we want to say movie has gold and also dragon also the same using the same. Question six is we want to delete the movie. So we just say delete from movies. Movies is a table where the title is equal to this one. Um, for Mongo we just need to say movie dot db dot movies dot remove and this one. So like in order to keep the data like integration constraint, yeah, to give the data constraint, we need to consider of this movie. Like if this movie have actor, we need to break their relationship with inside the movie actors table. Like we need to delete from movies from movie actor where where movie equal this movie ID. So they they will the movie will the data will keep constrained. But in this case, we don't have actors in for this movie, so we can just leave it. And this is also a problem for progress that if we want to delete a main thing, we need to consider many other query, many other data in different table. Yeah. So question seven, we want to insert new user. We for progress we need to create table called user, and but for Mongo we just say db.users.insert the username, first name and last name. There's the thing that happened in Mongo is we can see that this these two user they insert in different format. Like for this one we say user's full name, the first is and the last name is, and but in this one we say user, the first name is this one and last name is this one. So we need to consider when we want to get the data, like we want to find a user where the first name is good guy. We can't find it like if this is good guy, we can't do it using like db.user.find where full name where first name equal good guy. It won't return this um data. So this is one of the problem for Mongo. And we want to insert a post. I create a function before, so we just the function called insert post. We need the username, title and body. And uh this is we want to create a collection called post where have the username, title and body. So after passing all the data we just do it inside this function. The same thing for progress, we need to create a table called post. We have the ID, username, title, body, and then insert into the tables. Um, so right now we want to create a collection called comment. In progress, we need to create a table and insert comment again. Yes. We have a function called insert comment. We take the username, comment, and title to reference. So we want to create a relationship between comments collection and also post collection. the post is the ID for the post attribute in comments collection is the ID for the post inside the post collection, which the title is borrow something. So this is the way to create a reference. Like the post is a reference of the post collection where the ID is db.post.find1, where the title is borrow something and we just want the ID. So this is the way we create relation in Mongo. And in progress, we need to reference when we create the table, where you say create table comment, where the post ID is an integer reference to post. Yes, the post ID is same thing. So reference to post, so we can just insert into comments where the username, comment, and post ID is this one. So this is the way we insert comment data into progress. We reference to others tables, and also the way to create a relationship in Mongo. We want to check if all the things got done. So we want to find a user, just select all from user, select all from post, and select all from post where the username is, and same thing. So for the last question, like find all the document belonging to the post, report a bug in your code. So we say we want to find please return all, select all means select return all from command C post P, where the post ID is equal to the post ID in command is equal to the post ID in post, and the title of the string we want to the title we want to find is report about in your code. In Mongo, if we want to do that, we say db.command.find where the post, where the ID is this one. This will return the ID where the title is reports about in your code. So after compare all the data in Mongo and progress, we know that Mongo is schemaless. It's very fast and easy to use, and the data of any structure can be stored and accessed quickly and easily. But there's a thing that the data size in MongoDB is typically higher because like if you want to have a actor called Brad Pitt in two movies, we need to create the same actor again. And in progress, it will keep the data integrity, like all the data have the same attribute, like impossible for if we want, like we can't say like we want to add a thing, add an attribute called director inside movies, because if we want to insert the director just for one movie, we need to modify the tables. But in Mongo we can just db.movie dot find title equal to the title you want to define, and then set is like set director become whatever you want. So this is the differences between Mongo and progress. For addition, we want to make the movie ID auto increment, so we add serial and it set it to primary key, and the movie ID in the movie actors table is reference to the movie ID in movies table. So in this document it show all the query I use and the output I got. This is for Mongo and um yeah, so this is for progress. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for listening.